What's going on, guys? So what we got going on this weekend, we have the Beef on Forage Maternal Collection Female Sale in LaGrange, Texas. We have about 60 bred and open females, give or take. We have two open heifers, one graded lot number 6 and the other one graded lot 18, so I'm really happy about that. It's a really good solid set of females. Today's Thursday, so they arrived today. Heifers will be selling Saturday. Tomorrow, what we got going on is I'm gonna be manning the booth for the co-op at a trade show here in town, and then getting ready for the sale. And then we got the sale Saturday. We'll be, it's the town over from where the ranch is, so we'll be doing some ranch stuff, checking on cows and whatnot. But yeah, guys, come along. So here we got the lot 1 and 2 female, and here we got 3 and 4. And right here we got 5 and 6. This one right here is mine. Super deep gutted, soggy female. I really like her. It hurts selling her for sure, but hey, you got to make money, right? Got to put your best foot forward when you're selling females in a replacement sale. Just being shy. We got my lot 18 heifer. She's in the pen by herself. Hey, pretty girl. I like this heifer too. She's a little more refined than the lot 6 heifer of ours. She's a little bit more moderate framed, more balanced. It's kind of like the lot 6 female. She's going to be more of a bull maker. I mean, she'll make good females too, but this one, she's kind of more prettier, compared to the other one. The other one's more, thicker made, bigger female, soggier. This one's real nice too, though. I think they'll both do pretty well. Really excited. We got a really nice set though. I'm really proud of this group of females for sure. Got some down this aisle and then on the other side too. And I think on this side, we're coming into the breds. Real thick heifer. Getting all these settled in and comfortable. What's going on, guys? So we're back at the ranch, checking on the cows at the lease place here. Here we got old Trail Boss. This is that Lot 5 bull that we bought last month. Came back from the bull stud. He collected pretty well. He's looking real good, in good flesh, even on cows for the first time. Cows are looking good. It's a nice little bull cat. We're hoping he grows into a bull. This one too. Hoping they grow into decent bulls. Make some money. We'll see what happens. Time will tell. What's going on, guys? So it's the next morning. This morning we got the trade show that we're going to be manning the booth on. So they got some pretty cool booths, pretty cool. They're going to do a demonstration on a big drone for spraying crops and stuff. It'll be pretty cool. What's going on, guys? So it's sale day. Got a little bit of rain last night, so that's a good thing. But the cattle look real good. So yeah, we'll look around.
Yeah. Say hi. Focus. I love you. Oh, you closest. Cow.
So yeah, this little heifer that our daughter was petting is our lot 18. We raise them to have good dispositions, so they're good around the kiddos.
Today, this is y'all's opportunity to be a part of our program. If you buy a female here today, you can bring these cattle back. We're going to sell them right here in 2 years from now. We sell them at our Oklahoma sale. We can sell them at our Texas sale. I asked Justin Rhodes, I said, what would you change about this lot 31 heifer? And he said, man, I've been looking at her all day. I don't know why you'd sell her to begin with. Larry and I decided we wanted to have a heifer to start this first sale out as good as we could make walk. Right here she is. Stirred heifer, as good a numbers as you can find, as good a quality as you can find from the very best heart of our program that we wanted to put our best foot forward for you guys today. There is a little bit of a typo in the catalog. It's just a number of the sire is 8918 of the service sire. The certificate number is right, but it's just a typo on that. If you look at these 8918s, if you look at your catalog at like 35, 36 here from the Pearsons, those are big stout heifers are out of them. So you've got a heck of a baby inside right here. It'll come back and be able to sell in this program. So we're going to flip-flop back and forth, few fall heifers, few open heifers, and then make some bigger runs after that. Colonel, this is as good as we can do, right?
Yes, sir. I'm talking about the goods right here now. Somebody give me 30 pound that. He got $30,000. He got $30 bid. He got $20,000, $5,000, $6,000. Get $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000. He got 10, he got 12. He got 12 bid. Hey, 13. He got 14. He got 14,000. He got 15,000. He got 15,000, 16,000. He got 17,000. 18,000 bid. He got 18 here, 17, 18. 18,000. 17 bid. He got 18. He got 18, 19, 19. Now 20. Hit 20. He got 19. He got 20. He got 4. Now 2. Now 3. $23,000. $23,000. $4,000. Hit 25,000. $26,000. $25,000. $6,000. $25,000. $27,000. Hit 27,000. Where? He got 6. He got 7. He got $27,000. $27,000. 20. He got 7. 8. He got 20. He got 7. Yes, sir. Internet's in 27, 28, 27 down. I know somebody out there. 27 down, 28 down. He down 30, down 30. He 20 down, 30 down. Internet's only down 28, 29. Greg, you're out at 29, 28 9. He down 30. He down 30. Hit 30 down. He down 1. He down 30. 1, 2. He want to be 2 days. Jesus, best 21 down now. 31,000. You're about 32, 33, 32, 33. Internet's out now. Greg, don't miss you, but don't be late. 33, 32, 34. He got 3 down. He got 3 here. I got 2 already, but give me 3. I got 2 right here. Right now. 33. You're out. Greg. 32 now. 4. Now 34. 33,000. $34,000. 33 has been online. 34,000. 30 now 5. Now 35. Greg online. You're out. 34, 35. 34,000. 35,000. Greg Hendricks. Come on in, but get out. 34,000. 35,000. 5 here. 5 here. 4 here. 5. All that I have, there's nobody on Dutch. She's the goods. Now 34,000. $35,000. One to down. 4 here. 5 here. 5. So the $34,000 right there, 80 rate bar, 227, 34,227.
Turk 32 from Summerford. John went around buying the best donors, best numbered donors that he could. He crossed them up with our double L bull to make them eligible for this sale. This is a prime example of what you get crossing our genetics back on those high-powered donors.
You're nice. She's not 32. Boys, look what I got for you here. 25,000. Get 25. He got 20,000. He got 10,000, $5,000, $6,000. Get 5,000, $6,000. He got 5. He got 6. He got 5,000, $6,000. He got 5. He got 6,000. Get 5,000, $7,000. He got 7,000, $8,000. He got 7. He got 8. He got 8. He got 8,000. He got 10,000. He got now 10. Now 10. Get down to bid. 10 to bid. He got 10. 10. 10. He got 11. He got 12. He got 11,000, $12,000. 11,000, 12, 13,000. Get 13,000, 14,000. He got 13 to bid. 14 to bid. She's a good. Now 15. 14, 15. 14,000, 15,000. You'll be 14,000. Buddy, I got 14,000. I'll let you be 5. I'll do that now. 14,500. Bid 14,500. Here inside now. 14D. You're out 14,500. He got 5.5. 14. Here 5. Here 5. Here 5.5. 14,500. So the quarter 14,000. Put on number.
Osmondson going to California.
238.
238. He got 10,000. I got 5,000. Get 5,000 bid. 6,000 bid. He got 5. Here 6. Here 5,000. 6,000. He got 8. He got 7,000. He got 7,000. He got 8,000. 8, 9, 10. He got 10 to bid. He got 10. Here 10. Here 11. He got 12. He got 12,000 bid. 11,000. 12,000. Get 13,000. 14,000. She's a goods now. I get you looking here at 15,000. He had 14, 15, 16. He had 15 to get. You're right, 16 pound. He had 17,000. 18,000. He had 17 to get 18 to get 18 to get 17,000. 18,000. What you gonna do, bud? You're out now. That's 17,000. I got 16 already online. You need 16.5. Break it up. 16,000. No, get ready. You get to be 16.5. 16.5. You're trying to be in service. Now 17,000. Now 17,000. Jordan, you're out. Now 5. 17.5. 17 down 500. 17 down 500. 17 down 500. What did it say, Gordon? 17.5. 18 down to bid. Here to get 5. Here to get 18. Here to get 17.5. Here to get $18,000. Walk on out of it. Internet's out now. 18 to bid. Here to get 17.5. Here to get 18. $18,000. Walk on out of it. Here to get 18. Here to get 18. Here to get $18,000. Walk on over there and a half. 18,000. So 17,500 back here on the side. 17.
White 6 open heifers, another one of these meatball heifers coming in from Timpton Ranch, going back to a great tank daughter on the bottom. It's a heck of a stout heifer right here in front of you.
Yeah, right. Y'all tell me how much you're here. You're going to 10. You're going to 3,000. Bid 3,000. 3,500 to bid. 4,500 to bid. 4,500 to bid. 5,055. $6,000. You're now 5. Now 7. You're now 5. You're going to 7 here. 5 here. Hey, 75 to bid. You're 7 here. 5. You're going to 7,500. 500 again. 7,500. 7,500 here. 5 yes, sir. 7,500. 5. You get it. Y'all both come at the same time. Which one? I got 6,000 right here. You're going to be 6,500 core. 65. 6,500. 6,500. You got 6,500. Now 7,000, my friend. Now you can be 7,000. Now you can be 7,000. 6,500. 7,000. You both out over here now. 6,500. 7,000. And that's out. You get it. 500 to get 7,000. Yes, sir. 6,500. 7,500. You don't want to go to that. 500 to get 7,000. To get 7,000. One of them had 7,000. So right there in the middle. 6,500. Put them on number. 248.
So to Radwanski, thank you. You've been watching her all year. Number Kentucky, thank you.
Kentucky bound, number 18 is the next one. Yeah, Brad, y'all tell me here. How much here? Yeah, 5,000. 3,500. Get 35. Yeah, 3,500. Here, 35. Here, 4,500. Yeah, 3,500. 4,500. 4,500. 4,500. 4,500. Yeah, 3,500. He did 4,500. Now 4,500. Yeah, now 4,500. 4,000 is bid. Who would like to be 4,500? Yeah, 4 here, 5 here. Get 45. Yeah, 2,500. Don't do that, my friend. 4,000, 2,500. 4,000. Who wants to be 2,500? Yeah, 2,500. Here, 4 here. 8,500. Yeah, 4 here. 4,000. 250. One of them to the here, 4 here. Get 2,500. Yes, sir. 4,000 here. 2,500. So we're $4,000. 230. 4,000. 230.
What's going on, guys? So the sale's over with. So our lot 6 heifer, she sold for $6,500, and then our lot 18 heifer sold for $4,000. Sale went pretty good. Highest selling heifer went for $37,000. So we're pretty happy about that. Now after the sale, one of the breeders who put on the sale, or he manages the sale, we're gonna have a field day at his ranch and take a look at his herd. So yeah, it should be a fun time.
just put it in perspective, those first 2 cows we saw were 0.6 miles away, so it's a 400-acre pasture right here.
Mommy.
What, baby?
Baby.
Yeah, guys, these are this is part of the herd, not all of it, but it's running multi-sire. They got 2 bulls on all the cows here. I'm not sure how many cows they have specifically, but yeah, this ranch that we're on, it's about a big 1,800-acre place. But they got a lot of good set of cows. Calves look real good. And we got some animals from this program. But yeah, sale did real good. Cattle look real good. Got rain yesterday, so it's a good day. But thank y'all for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video.